placement of the foundation is going to happen by going to structure and then go to wall. Now we have two options to place the foundation walls. One is to click on the wall and then place the foundation wall like this. The other system is to go to foundation floor plan and then start placing the foundation walls. Now I'm going to go over the wall foundation again and click on each wall like this, and then I am able to place this foundation. Now let us correct the exercise. I'm going to go to 3D view and then I will cancel this for now, and then I'm going to place all the remaining foundation walls. I'm going to go to structure and then go to wall foundation. Now I'm going to click to each wall in here to finish up the placement of foundation walls. It's very easy, very straightforward, like this. All the walls, they must have the foundation walls placed.